Alright, so I'm going to drop the four in, and I'm going to keep them just under the top ridge here. Because I still have some cleaning to do, and I figure if I can scrape the rest of this, or at least the majority of it, and then just blow it off the top of the pistons, it'll be a little easier that way. Got my ring compressor, and I got a little piece of hose, and I've used, to protect the crank from the rod bolts, I've used a tube sock. I've used a piece of hose like this. I've put electric tape around it. I've tried things around, putting something around the crank. It's just really easy with this. And what's nice is it's usually a little bit curved, so you can actually have it curve away from the crank, and it fits in pretty nicely. And instructions said fresh oil on the bearing and on the threads, and then the torque specs. So I'll do that from underneath. But for now, that one. And actually, they spread out a little bit, so it'll keep it centered in the cylinder too. Okay. I lost my key for the ring compressor long ago, so I'm just using a quarter drive adapter. There's my ratchet. Close. Get a little tighter. That's probably it. Okay. You know what? I may have put it down too low. Let's see. The dot goes towards the front. The tabs go towards the firewall. So yeah, that looks correct. Of course, the tool side. Okay, it clears. It just clears that alignment dowel. Okay. Now, what I find helps, if you start the ring compressor in just a little bit around the ridge, keeps it from slipping upwards when you push the piston in. Yeah, hold the compressor. Well, that went in really nicely. Okay. Alright, well, I didn't think this through. I gotta go underneath for the pieces of hose every time. Yeah. And huh. Okay. You know what? I'm going to have to put the rods on because I won't be able to rotate this. Okay, so I'll do 1 and 4, put the bearings on, and then 2 and 3 and put the bearings on. That'll be the easier way. Come on. Out of there. Drop it. Okay. I need pliers. I don't know if this will work. There we go. I couldn't get the piece of hose off. Alright. So yeah, we're going to just do 2 at a time. So there went my best plan. there was logic to it and it went out the window. Alright. So for this rod bearing, it's going to go over here. It doesn't look like it's seating in there. Okay. I guess it is. It just doesn't look like it. And the 2 pieces of rubber hose. Dot is forward. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, what am I thinking? I should be able to do this anyway because I can just push them down to meet the crank. Yeah. Okay, I'm out of my mind. Alright, back to plan A. Grab those 2 pieces of hose. Crank spins so easily. Afraid I'm gonna have an accident. Okay. I gotta pick a spot for these. I'll put them on the windshield. Oops. Gentlemen. Okay. There's the dot towards front. Oh no! That one worried me a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna check my messages. I gotta go.